Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. Today we have one very interesting algebraic equation which we'll be solving in this video. So let's get started by checking equation at x equal to 0. So I will write here x equal to 0. 10 times 0 power 4 is 0, plus 15 times 0 cube is 0, plus 3 times 0 square is 0, minus 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1. This is our left hand side, which is -1, and right hand side is 0. So minus 1 cannot be equal to 0. So for our equation, x cannot be 0. Now we will divide our equation by x power 4 both sides. So I will write 10x power 4 plus 15x cube plus 3x square minus 3x minus 1 divided by x power 4 equal to 0 divided by x power 4. Let's divide. 10x power 4 over x power 4 is 10 plus 15x cube over x power 4. 15 times 1 over x or 15 over x plus 3 times x square over x power 4, which is 1 over x whole square, minus 3 times x over x power 4, which is 1 over x cube. I am writing 1 over x whole cube. Then we have minus 1 over x power 4, which we will write minus 1 over x whole power 4 equal to 0 over x power 4 is 0. Now we will assume, let's say 1 over x, suppose equal to y. So equation will be in variable y, 10 plus 15y plus 3y square minus 3y cube minus y power 4 equal to 0. Now we will take all the terms to RHS so that the multiplier of leading coefficient would be positive. So I will get y power 4 plus 3y cube minus 3y square minus 15y minus 10 equal to 0. Now equation is of degree 4. I will be using rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So I need to find the eligible factors of constant. So I can easily write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 5 and plus minus 10. Leading coefficient is 1. So we can write plus minus 1. Now we have to find ratio of constant to leading coefficient. So in this series, if I will plug in y equal to 1, will it satisfy our equation? 1 plus 3 minus 3 minus 15 minus 10. No, it is not. I will check at y equal to -1. Minus 1 power 4 is 1. The next term would be minus 3 plus 15 minus 10. So this time we have plus 16 and minus 16. So yes, it is satisfying our equation. Y equal to -1 will be our base solution. Now we will use synthetic division method. So let us write all the coefficients of quartic equation. Coefficient of y power 4 is 1. Y cube coefficient is 3. Coefficient of y square is minus 3. Coefficient of y is minus 15. Constant is minus 10. We'll write leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now we will multiply base solution minus 1 with leading coefficient 1. Minus 1 times 1. Product is minus 1. We'll write over here. We have to add these two numbers. We will get 2. Again minus 1 times 2, minus 2. Addition of these two will give us minus 5. Minus 1 times minus 5 plus 5. We'll add these two and get minus 10. Minus 1 times minus 10 is plus 10. By adding these two, we will get 0. So these are coefficients for cubic equation. Equation will become y cube plus 2y square minus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. Let's write and solve over here. Y cube plus 2y square minus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. I will check equation at y equal to 2. So 2 cube is 8. 2 times 2 square is again 8. Minus 10. Minus 10. It is not satisfying our equation. I will check at y equal to minus 2. Will it satisfy? Minus 2 cube is minus 8. 2 times minus 2 square plus 8. Minus 5 times minus 2 plus 10. Minus 10. Yes, this is true. So y equal to 2 is base solution for this cubic equation. Again we'll be using synthetic division method. Here we need to write all the coefficient of cubic equation this time. So 1, coefficient of y square is 2, coefficient of y is minus 5, constant is minus 10. We will consider leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now we will multiply base solution with this leading coefficient 1. Minus 2 times 1, minus 2. By adding these two, we will get 0. Minus 2 times 0 is 0. By adding these two, we will get minus 5. Minus 2 times minus 5 becomes plus 10. By adding these two, we will get 0. Here we have coefficients for quadratic equation in y, and equation will become y square minus 5 equal to 0. We'll add 5 to both sides. So we will get y square equal to 5. Now we will take a square root both sides to get the values of y. So here we need to write plus minus sign. A square root and a square will get over. We will write y will be equal to plus minus the square root 5. So we have 4 solutions over here. Y will be equal to first base solution minus 1, minus 2, plus minus square root 5. Y was our substitution. It is 1 over x. 1 over x was substitution y. So in place of y, we can write 1 over x equal to minus 1, minus 2, plus minus square root 5. Now we have to take reciprocal both sides to get x. So we will swap numerator and denominator. So here we have denominator 1, denominator 1, denominator 1. We will get x equal to negative 1, negative 1 over 2, plus minus 1 over square root 5. Now we can rationalize over here. We will multiply numerator denominator by square root 5. Let me write here x equal to minus 1, minus half, and plus minus 1 over square root 5. Let's rationalize denominator square root 5. So we need to multiply here with root 5. So in the numerator by root 5. Now root 5 times root 5 becomes 5. So we have 4 real values of x. Minus 1, minus 1 over 2, plus minus square root 5 over 5. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.